Well, it's another beautiful day, and yesterday when I was looking for somewhere to charge the camera and figure out where I was going to stay for the night as soon as that other campground was closed, started chatting to this really nice couple, Doug and Caroline, and they said, "We got a sleep out, you can come and stay at our place." So yeah, I did that. That was very nice, and really nice to know that there are people out there who will just welcome strangers into their house. It was really nice having a hot breakfast as well, which if I was actually camping, all I'd have is a coffee. Anyway, today's ride, just heading home, gonna swing by the centre of the North Island, use that as a sort of route home. So it's largely going to be sealed roads, but it should be a nice ride because today is gorgeous. So off we go. Private road, let's see what things look like down here. Okay, not going down there. Don't understand the appeal of it. It's just too fiddly gutting and heading those things. Turn off to the centre of the North Island, Timber Trail Road. intersection, and this is where Google Maps messes up. If you come along here, look for this intersection. Pretty easy to spot it with this sign, but Google Maps will let you go down that road, but we want to go into the forest there because that's the way to the centre of the North Island and through to the other side. So yeah, ignore Google Maps, just head into the bush. Cleaned this area up a bit, but it's really just a muddy car park now. Anyway, let's stop and go for a bit of a walk. It's rather blocked. Oh well, never mind. I have done it before. Do not need to do it again. Well, a little bit of a disappointment, but that's completely in keeping with this this weekend. Yet another thing that I was going to look at that is closed or inaccessible. I'll flick a message to the dock website when I get home, letting them know there's a tree down. road, head over the top of Lake Taupo, get a little bit more fuel. Go, that's the end of a weekend ride. Beautiful weather, but in some ways not the most successful ride. The ranch I wanted to go to was closed. The campsite I wanted to stay at was closed. Yeah, the centre of the North Island track was closed. But no, that was a fun weekend though, and really good getting to meet a few other people, staying at someone's place, being looked after, much better than camping, and yeah, really nice to get away for a bit. Anyway, that's all for this video, so till next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.